All right, this is homework help for number 14 on 6-3. So we're finding the coordinates of the orthocenter this time, not the median, or not the centroid, the orthocenter. So that's the intersection of the altitudes. So this is the harder one where you have to find the equation of two of the altitudes and then solve the system. Okay, so I gave you the picture here. They didn't originally give that to you. So I've got my coordinates over here. We're going to go ahead and solve for the um, orthocenter. So pick whichever one you want. I'm going to pick M just because it's a vertical, or I know it's going to be a vertical line since this is horizontal. So I'm going to choose M first. So I'm going to write vertex M. And so what we need to do is we need to find the midpoint of the opposites, or sorry, no we don't. We need to find the perpendicular slope. So we need the slope of the opposite side first, so slope of ln, and that's going to be easy. It's just 0. Okay, so then we need the perpendicular slope, and what's the um, perpendicular slope to a horizontal line? It's a vertical line, so it's undefined. So our altitude is just a vertical line from here to here. So what's the equation of that vertical line, the line containing that altitude? Is just x equals 10. So the equation containing that altitude, containing altitude from vertex M is just x equals 10. So I know my altitude is somewhere along this line. So this is a very convenient one. You don't have to do very much work because one of the lines is a vertical line. So we already know x. We didn't even have to solve the system to find that coordinate. So now just pick another one. Now if you picked L and N, then you don't have as easy a time. I'm going to go ahead and I'll do L. So I'm going to do vertex L. So we need the slope of the opposite side. So we need slope of mn, and that'll be easy to find. I'm just going to go, oh, here. We just go down 1, 2, 3, 4, right 1, 2. Down 4, right 2. That's a slope of -2. So then you want the perpendicular slope. That would be a positive 1/2. So I'm just going to draw that and see if I can get the y-intercept just by doing the graph. So from L, this goes from L, we'll go up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2, and you can kind of guess what it's going to be, but we do need exact. So to get the y-intercept, you can like do the math, or we can just use the graph because it should hit nicely for us. So I'm going to go backwards. So I'm just going to go, oopsie, we're going to go down 1, left 2. Just keep going. Hey, look, it's nice. So the y-intercept is just -4. So the y-intercept is -4. So my equation is just, so I've got the slope right here. I've got the y-intercept. Plug it in. So y equals 1/2 x minus 4. And now we just have to solve the system of equations. So solve the system here and here. Oh, but wait, I already know the x. So all you have to do is plug in x to this equation. That's it. So, or 10 for x. So y equals 1/2 times our x, which is 10, minus 4. That's 5 minus 4. Y equals 1. So the coordinates of the orthocenter are 1 or 10, 1. That's where the orthocenter is here. So 10. And this graph is, you might say, Miss Wooten, that's not 1. 1's up here. No, it's not, because the graph is going by 2's. So that does look reasonable. 10, 1 looks like a reasonable answer for our orthocenter. All right, that's it for number 14. Thanks for watching.